Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to use RapidAPI to find API keys. So guys, open RapidAPI. As you can see here, you find here different products on this option, and you have enterprise marketplace, and you have public marketplace and security, and RapidAPI client for Mac and for VS Code. For example, guys, click on this option, and after that scroll down. You can get API client VS Code, and you can get VS Code, and you could use this workflow access for API journey, and you can use to find API keys, and you can install here from the as you can environment. And this is an Play dashboard. As you can see here, guys, you can find the keys here, and you can just click this option, guys, get client on VS Code. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching.